Hey traders, in today's video I'll walk you through the trading platforms and tools that I use every day in the markets for 2017. In my opinion, and for my personal style of discretionary trading, these are the best and most reliable platforms out there. Let's get to the video. First things first, we need to talk about execution platforms. This is the platform that you're going to be trading on every single day. My main driver is NinjaTrader 8. It's my favorite trade execution platform. It's very flexible, built on a C+ framework, which allows you and third-party developers to create custom indicators and strategies to fit your needs. Furthermore, for me, it's all about trading with order flow, volume profile, and I've been lucky enough to have found like-minded traders and developers who have created great volume and order flow based suites for NinjaTrader. My main driver from these suites is a package from Orderflow Analytics. Their work has really helped me build a whole new level of appreciation for how the markets tick. I'll throw a link to their site in the description. Trading is hard work, and to be successful, you'll need to treat it as more than just a hobby. In fact, your finger on the pulse of the market is what contributes to well-rounded and informed trading decisions. So make sure you have your finger on it. This is why analysis is such an important part of every trader's career. Now, you don't need a degree in statistical analysis to be effective, although that'll probably help. What you do need is a consistent approach to the markets. Follow them, get to know them, write about them, blog about them, take notes about their movements and price patterns. For analysis, I use a couple of different platforms. For intraday and intermediary analysis, I use NinjaTrader. For taking an in-depth, in-the-moment, tick-by-tick view of what's happening, I use Bookmap. Great software, great trading DOM and order book visualizations, really helpful in pinpointing those trade positions, highly recommended. And for higher time frame analysis, I use TradingView. TradingView is a great online charting platform and community. It allows you to access data from many different instruments. TradingView also gives you a variety of free tools to analyze charts with. I highly recommend it for beginners, as there's a free version but also a paid version for those of you that want more bells and whistles. For more advanced analysis, I would recommend something like MotiveWave. MotiveWave and its founders are students of Elliott wave theory. This is a school of structure analysis that is based on the idea that price moves in repetitive wave patterns. It's really helpful in getting a better idea of where the market is going on a higher time frame. This, along with volume analysis and identifying that market structure, can be a powerful tool in long-term price analysis. So this was a quick introduction into some of the tools that I'm using in 2017, and it's a great place to begin your research if you're new to trading. Part of the reason why I started trading was because I was fascinated by technology that allowed me to have the power to trade global markets at my fingertips. Please trade responsibly, and remember that it's not a sprint, it's a journey. If you liked this video, hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more of this content. Leave me a suggestion, a question, or just say hello in the comments below.